As you can see, I'm a little obsessed. For a little over the past 2 months, I have been working on a cosplay. I'm not entirely finished with it. There's some things that I didn't get the chance to finish on it, but it was wearable, so I wore it to the convention. That video is coming the middle of next month, along the lines of my theme for this year, which is using what's in my stash and saving the money. Think of it as the we have fabric at home thing. I can't remember the creator's name, but I occasionally see her videos, and she's just like, on this episode of We Have Nails at Home. So on this episode of We Have Fabric at Home, I am going to be redoing my iPad case. Current iPad case, the cloth cover, is coming absolutely undone. I kind of want to redo it. I want a new case, but I don't want to lose my stickers. I also don't want to be spending more money since my wallet is hurting from this last weekend. This is one of the things that I got, as well as this. I'm obsessed. I am going to be using some of my scrap material from the strawberry dress that I made last year. After making that dress, I took some of the smaller scrap pieces and I already quilted them together because I had an idea of making a tote bag out of it, but I think this is going to be a good use of the fabric. So this is what I have quilted together from a bunch of the random scrap pieces. So I'm going to use that as the outside, and I'm going to use some of the extra squares that I have of this on the inside. Yesterday I cut out a pattern piece for it. What I did for the pattern that I made, I just laid the iPad case on top of the piece of paper, and I just traced around with my pencil with a little bit of space so that way I can do some border stuff. I still have yet to decide fully what I'm going to do on the border. I think I'm going to do some ribbon, but I'm not 100% sure. So I'm going to work on that today. That's the plan. Join me. This is going to be the inside. I wasn't sure which of these was going to be big enough, but I think any of them would be. So I just need to decide what I want more in the center. I think I want like it like that. And I am going to keep this pattern for when I eventually want to change my iPad case again, because unless the plastic breaks, or the machine dies and I have to get one that doesn't fit, no one has to do anything. Okay. Okay, so now we need to do the same thing for the quilted fabric. There's so many small pieces in here. I haven't trimmed off as fast as excess. Or two. Yeah, it's a little less thick. Okay. So I can still use this area. So I think that would be good. You'll be asking yourself, where does this little tiny scrap stuff go? It goes into the filling for pincushions that I make. Okay, so let's see, do these two match up well enough? Iron it before I put it on. Wrong way. Yeah, they will do. Plan is to sew in between these lines. That's my plan. Yep, that is it. My iPad is out of the case so that it's not heavy to, like, it's not heavy. Is there definitely a better way to do this? Absolutely, 100%. I should probably use glue. But again, I don't think I have strong enough glue. Let me see what I have. You know, for someone that does a lot of craft projects, you'd think that I'd have more crafting supplies than I do. Where's my Mod Podge? Aha! There it is. Is there a high probability that this Mod Podge is like hard and gone bad? Oh no, it's not! That's glossy. Sure, it works. Let's do this side first. It's just nearly gone. Okay. I really don't want to put something sticky through my machine, so I'm going to glue the other side. I'm going to let these dry, and then I will return when I start sewing. Okay, so while it was drying, I decided to try out this really cute ribbon that I have. I think I like how that's going to look around the outside. I might have to hand stitch that down. she is, all done. I'm so happy with how it turned out. Does it look like it was homemade? Yes, absolutely, it does. But is that a bad thing? I definitely recommend doing this DIY. It's I found it super easy and super fun and a really great way of downsizing a bit of my scrap pile. I definitely think that anyone that has a tablet case, a Kindle, another tablet like case kind of like this, definitely do this DIY. Let me know down in the comments if you were to do this DIY, what does your fabric stash look like, your scrap stash, and what would your cover end up looking like? Thank you so much for watching. If you want to stay tuned for my Legends Arceus Cottagecore inspired Leafeon costume, which will be out next month, feel free to subscribe and give this video a like. You can also follow me over on Instagram and TikTok. Same name, Cottagecore Land Girl, over on those platforms as well. Thank you so much for watching. Stay crafty, and I'll see you next time.